It's time now to work on finding an article from the time of your event. So the best thing to do is to head over to the Downers Grove Public Library databases. So go to O'Neill's homepage, click on the library link, and then where it says Library Catalogs at the top, you are going to select the Downers Grove Public Library link. That'll take you to their homepage, and you want to look for the Research button, select All Databases. Now they have them listed by alphabetical order, but you can also always scroll down. The one that we are looking for is the Chicago Tribune newspaper, but it also goes back to, I want to say like 1849. So let's see if I'm correct. Yes, all right. So it goes all the way back to 1849. So this database is going to allow us to actually find a newspaper article from the time of our event. Okay, so obviously it can't be back farther than 1849. What's important to do is you need to select full text for sure because you want to be able to see the entire document. You also need to select specific date range. If I were to just go ahead and type in Lincoln's assassination, I would get all kinds of things, but I'm looking for a specific time period. Now, I know that Lincoln was assassinated on April 15th, 1865. So, I am going to go ahead and I am going to select the month, which would be April. And I know that the year was 1865. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat that, but as you notice with the month of August, I'm extending it out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to type in Lincoln's death and I'm going to see what results we get back on that. And sure enough, the first one is talking about damages for Lincoln's death. But if we look down, and it also says that it was published in June of that year. But if I look at this one looks like it's going to be a better fit for what I'm going for because it looks like it's talking about things that happened right after Lincoln's death. And if you look at the date, it's April 17th, so that's 2 days after Lincoln was assassinated. And if you look at this, it's talking about the Secretary Seward, who was also attacked. It's going on and talking about a whole bunch of other things in the article, all relating to Lincoln's assassination. At this point, I know this is the primary source that I want to utilize. So I need to cite this. I'm going to go up to where the button says Cite. I'm going to click on that. And I've decided that I would like you guys to cite this in MLA format. So you're going to scroll all the way down through the list, find MLA 8th edition. Now, this is a huge citation, okay? But you have to go ahead and select all of that. And then you're simply going to copy and paste that into a Google Doc and show that to me. So that is how you can easily find something on your event, your topic, and a primary source article.